Welcome to Finance Foundry. On this channel, you'll learn two powerful things. First, how to master personal finance. I'll break down simple budgeting systems like the 50/30/20 rule. I'll show you how to save money without feeling broke. And I'll teach you how to get out of debt faster than you think. Second, how to make money online. I'll cover proven side hustles you can start today: freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing. I'll share step-by-step guides for building passive income streams. And I'll even test new online money methods so you only follow what actually works. By combining smart money management with online income streams, you'll not just survive, you'll thrive. Here's the vision. Imagine this time next year. You're not worried about bills, you've got an emergency fund, and you're making money online while building long-term wealth. That's what Finance Foundry is about, turning financial stress into financial freedom. So, if you're ready to stop being broke and start building a life of freedom, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't just watch, be part of this journey. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest financial challenge right now? I'll be reading and replying to every single one. Here on this channel, we are excited to help you build your money game step by step. Stay tuned, because the next video is all about 3 side hustles you can start with $0 today. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to work. Welcome back to Finance Foundry, where we turn confusing money topics into simple, real-life tools. And in this video, we're breaking down one of the simplest budgeting systems ever created, the 50/30/20 rule. By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your money with less stress, less guilt, and more control, without feeling broke. So let's jump straight in. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I had a friend who always said, "Bro, I don't know where my money goes. I think it just evaporates." Every month he swore he'd save. Every month, by the 20th, he was broke. And every month, he blamed unexpected expenses. But here's the secret. Most unexpected expenses are actually very expected. We just never plan for them. And that's exactly what the 50/30/20 rule solves. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine you earn 3,000 Ghanaian cedis, $1,000, or whatever your monthly income is. The rule says 50% needs. Things you can't survive without: rent, electricity, food, transportation, basic medical stuff, internet. Let's be honest, we can't survive without this one anymore. 30% wants. Things that make life sweet: eating out, Netflix, new clothes, date nights, upgrading your phone because the camera needs to be clearer. 20% savings/debt repayment. This is where your future stability lives. Savings, emergency fund, investments, paying down debt faster. That's it. Simple, clear, no drama. The 50/30/20 rule works because it gives you structure, but still allows freedom. You're not restricting yourself from enjoying life. You're just making sure enjoyment doesn't swallow your entire paycheck. It removes guilt. It removes confusion. And it makes money decisions almost automatic. Let's use an example. Imagine your take-home income is 4,000 Ghanaian cedis or $1,200 a month. Here's how it splits. 50% needs, 2,000 Ghanaian cedis/$600. Rent, 800 Ghanaian cedis. Food, 500 Ghanaian cedis. Transport, 300 Ghanaian cedis. Utilities, 200 Ghanaian cedis. Internet, 200 Ghanaian cedis. 30% wants, 1,200 Ghanaian cedis / $360. Eating out, 300 Ghanaian cedis. Clothes, 200 Ghanaian cedis. Night out / entertainment, 250 Ghanaian cedis. Subscriptions, 150 Ghanaian cedis. Random little treats, 300 Ghanaian cedis. 20% savings, 800 Ghanaian cedis / $240. Savings, 300 Ghanaian cedis. Emergency fund, 200 Ghanaian cedis. Investment, 200 Ghanaian cedis. Debt payment, 100 Ghanaian cedis. When you break it down this way, your money has direction. And when your money has direction, you won't feel lost. Now maybe you're watching this and thinking, but my rent alone is already 50% of my income. And listen, that is normal. Most people don't start with the perfect ratio. You can adjust it. If your needs are higher, you can do 60/20/20, 70/20/10. If you're trying to aggressively save, go 50/20/30, or even 40/30/30. The point is not perfection. The point is progress. The rule is a guide, not a prison. Here's what I want you to do right after watching this video. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. After taxes. After deductions. The real money that hits your account. Step 2. Write down all your expenses. Everything. Even that 20 Ghanaian cedis or $3 snack that doesn't count. Step 3. Put each item into needs, wants, or savings. Don't lie to yourself. Be honest. Step 4. Compare your actual spending to the 50/30/20 rule. Step 5. Adjust slowly. Maybe reduce eating out by a little. Maybe unsubscribe from apps you haven't opened in 4 months. Maybe start saving 50 Ghanaian cedis or $10 just to build the habit. Start small. Be consistent. Your future self will thank you. Here's the truth. Budgeting isn't about being rich. It's about being in control. The first time I tried budgeting, I felt like I was restricting myself. But after a month, I realized something magical. I stopped feeling guilty when I bought something. Why? Because it was already in the budget. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to take control of your finances. You just need a plan, and the 50/30/20 rule is one of the best places to start. Thanks for watching Finance Foundry. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build your financial future, one step at a time. When you give every dollar, cedi, or euro a job, your money starts working for you, not the other way around. If you found this helpful, imagine what we're going to cover next. We're diving into saving money without feeling broke, how to get out of debt faster, how to build an emergency fund, how to invest with small amounts. So if you want to transform your financial life step by step, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to Finance Foundry, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of the journey. And before you go, comment below. I'm starting my money journey today. Let me know you're serious. Thank you for watching.